Do you have persistent cough? It can be more than just cold or allergies. It can be a deadly disease called as tuberculosis, which is caused by a bacterial infection. The common symptoms are cough, bleeding from the mouth, fever, weight loss, breathlessness. If you have these symptoms, you need to get evaluated. X-ray, CT scan of the chest or sputum analysis would be done. And pulmonologist visit is very, very necessary. And you might require a bronchoscopy to take samples from your lungs and diagnose it correctly. Remember, early diagnosis is the key, and TB is completely treatable. Most of the times you need to take 6 months of complete antibiotics, and remember not to stop your medications in between. So if you have symptoms, please get tested. Save this video and share it with someone who might need this.